Hello and welcome to Julia's Food for Thought. Today we're going to prepare vegan sour cream. It's used in some of our recipes, so let's get started on that. So just before we get started, we're going to prepare a cashew cream that can be used as a substitute for dairy cream or sour cream. So we'll speed up the process with our Vitamix, eliminating the 8-hour or overnight soaking. Health benefits of cashews, I think we should discuss a little bit. They are a good source of protein and minerals. They contain vitamin C and B, including 7 micrograms of D-Fe folate. Now, what about heart health? Well, a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that the risk of coronary heart disease may be 37% lower in people who consume nuts more than 4 times per week compared with people who never or seldom consume nuts. Cashew milk offers many of the benefits of dairy milk for those who prefer not to use dairy. Cashews are a good source of magnesium, which plays an important role in over 300 enzymatic reactions within the body. These include the metabolism of food and synthesis of fatty acids and proteins. Magnesium is also involved in muscle relaxation and neuromuscular transmission and activity. Magnesium deficiency prevalent in older populations is linked to insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome, coronary heart disease, and osteoporosis. Several studies have found that a high intake of calcium without sufficient magnesium could increase the risk of arterial calcification and cardiovascular disease, as well as kidney stones. So after we prepare our beautiful sour cream, we're going to talk a little bit more about bone health. So let's get started in this. These are our ingredients for our vegan sour cream. We have a cup of cashews, half a cup of water, lemon juice, organic apple cider vinegar, and our salt. So we're going to get our cashew cream into a sour cream. So let's take our cashews, get them into the blender. Add the water. Our lemon juice. Our apple cider vinegar. As you know, all the measurements are down below in the recipe, and our salt, which can be adjusted as you wish. So this Vitamix will send us into a wonderful cream. Now, after a few minutes, you can just have a look at it and see if it's as smooth as you wish. And I can see here it's lovely. It's very nice right now. It's totally blended. However, what I've done is I want you to have a look at this sour cream that's been in the fridge, so that you can judge for yourselves what consistency you would like. You can see this has been cooling in the fridge for some time. This is the way I like it. I'm going to be making chocolate brownies after this with this sour cream. Now, one thing to remember is when it comes to cashew milk, you may, or just cashew cream, not sour cream, you can adjust the water values. That's the recipe. And so in this case, you want it looser, then what you'll do is just add more water. It's very simple. So that's all there is to this recipe. It tastes so like berry. So in conclusion, let's talk a little bit about bone health. Cashews are one of the few food sources that are high in copper. Copper also plays an important role in the maintenance of collagen and elastin, major structural components of our bodies. Without sufficient copper, the body cannot replace damaged connective tissue or the collagen that makes up the scaffolding for bone. This can lead to a range of problems, including joint dysfunction as bodily tissue begins to break down. The magnesium in cashews is also important for bone formation as it helps with the assimilation of calcium into the bone. Manganese, another mineral in cashews, has been shown to prevent osteoporosis in combination with calcium and copper. There's much that we can learn. It'll be in some of this will be in the link below. So if you've enjoyed this production, please hit like and do look forward to your comments because we can learn from each other. This is how we grow. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.